This is Maxwell. He's here at the Carson Animal Care Center. His ID number is A4757989, and he's a terrier mix, we think, and he's just over a year old. He came into the shelter as a stray from Inglewood on September 20th. We would describe him as spirited. He definitely has a lot of personality. He's mostly good with dogs his own size, but it kind of depends on the dog. He loves to play once he warms up to you, and he can be very affectionate and cuddly, and he's about 10 pounds. The thing about him, though, is he's a little different when he is in the kennel. Like, he doesn't really act the same, but once he comes out, he's a pretty great dog. We think maybe older kids or adults in the home would be good. As you can see, he loves belly rubs. He's a pretty good dog. We really like him. So you should come to the Carson Animal Care Center and see Maxwell.